I'm taking questions which are given, try yourself, and if you all can hear me, give a thumbs up or type yes, you can hear. Now in factorization page, the try to yourself exercise starts from exercise page 101. So let's see the first question. 10a square minus 10a cube square minus 15b square and plus 20c square. In this question, so we will apply the method of factorization which we had done earlier, that is by taking common. So what were the steps of taking factorization? The steps of factorization were: first we will check every factorization question by taking common. So in this we will find HCF of this. So quickly I am writing. You will revise 10a square. This is working, you have to do in your mind, but I am quickly revising how it comes. So first you factorize, do the prime factorization of the number. 15 is 3 into 5, 20 is 2 into 2 into 5, then multiplied by a square means a into a, and c into c into c. So first you factorize 10a square. Factors of 10a square are 2 into 5 into a into a. 15b square is 3 into 5 b into b, and 20 is 2 into 2 4 into 5, and c is, yes, so c is twice. Now like we find HCF, we will see what is common. So 2 is here and in this term, but there is no 2 here, so 2 is not the HCF. So we will find that the HCF is this number which is common. So whatever is common in the terms, that will be taken as HCF. So I will write the HCF. The HCF is 5. Then A, B, C. You can see that there is no A, B, C common. So the HCF is only 5. A, B, C, nothing is common. So you will take 5 as common. Now what do we do with the HCF? The number which is given, this number is divided by 5. So all the numbers will be divided by 5, and whatever you get. So let's see. So 10a square divided by 5. Then minus 15b square divided by 5. Whatever is the HCF, HCF method is same. You will find HCF of the terms and divide, and then plus 20c square divided by 5. Now when you divide, it will give you some answer. When you will divide, 5 will divide, it will become 2, 5 will divide, it will become 3, and this will become 4. So the answer of the expression becomes, what will you get when you divide this? 10a square, that is this number is divided by 5. The HCF will divide this. So you get 2a square. Then the next number is minus 3b square divided by this. So you get minus 3b square. And number is 4. When you divide 5, 4, so it becomes 4c square. So what is the answer and how do you write the answer? So the HCF which you have written, this HCF is written as 5. First we write the HCF. Now inside the bracket I have divided each term by 5. So this number which you have divided, you are getting the answer. This is written inside 2a square minus 3b square and plus 4c square. So answer is 5 bracket 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. Okay, so this is how we take common, and this working which I have shown and which we have done earlier, this is only to explain. You don't have to show this working. The answer you can write direct. Answer you write direct means like there is a question. Suppose there is a question given as 27a cube b square minus 18a square b cube. If the question is 27a cube b square minus 18a square b cube, you will find HCF of both the numbers like I have told. So first you write the number in the factor form. So 27a cube b square, and when you find HCF by the method which I have told, you will get the HCF of 27 and 18 is 9. The HCF of 27 and 18 is 9, and then a cube and a square. What is common between a cube and a square? It is a square is common. Then b square and b3, what is common? B square. Now what I told, first you find HCF and divide all the terms which are given in the question by the HCF. So 10a square is this. First you factorize, then find the common HCF. In this question the HCF came 9a square b square. Now you will divide both the terms by 9a square b square and write the numbers inside the bracket. It will become 3a minus 2b. So 9a square b square bracket 3a minus 2b. Okay, so the method of taking common is done the way which I have explained just now. You can revise the method which I have explained here also. In the previous class also I had explained how to take the HCF. After finding HCF, we do what is done here. So we are doing page 101. This is page 101, and try yourself. Now the next number which is given 9 into x minus y square nine x minus 2y square plus 6 2y minus x. Now this is a question given on page 101. Now how will you do this? In this question 9x minus 2y, this number, the number is same. It is x minus 2y and that is 2y minus x. So terms are same but the sign are different. So I have to arrange it. Arrange so that the sign is same. I want to make x plus and here x is minus. So I have to make x as either minus or plus. So I will write 9 x minus 2y square. Here I will take and I want to make it as minus 2y. This is minus 2y, so this also should be minus 2y. So what will I do? I will change all the signs of this expression. Change sign of all these numbers. So see what I will do, this plus I have made minus, then 6 bracket plus 2y minus 2y plus x. This is arrangement I have done so that I get the next bracket. The first bracket is plus x, second bracket is x minus, so I will change sign of all the terms by changing the sign of this. So when you change the sign, the question does not change. Minus 6 plus 6 becomes minus 6, plus 2y becomes minus 2y, minus x becomes plus x. So how can I change everything? If you see, I have not changed the question. Minus 6 into minus, minus into minus will become plus 12y. Here also it is plus 12y. Minus 6 into plus, minus 6 into plus will become minus 6, and here also it is minus 6. So now what has happened? My question has become different now. It becomes 9 into x minus 2y minus 6 into x minus 2y. So the question has become 9x minus 2y square, 9x minus 2y square, and this number which is written here will be written as it is. So minus 6 bracket x minus 2y, minus 6 bracket x minus 2y. Now both the brackets are same, x minus 2y, x minus 2y, they are same. Okay, so now what will I do? It can be solved in two ways. This x minus 2y, x minus 2y is common. So it can be done in two ways. The first way is solve directly. Find HCF of 9. So let me do one thing. Let x minus 2y is equal to a. This is to simplify the question. So wherever there is x minus 2y, write it as a. So this question will become 9a square minus 6a. 9a square minus 6a. Now factorize it. What is the HCF? 3a is the HCF. 3a minus 2. This is my answer, but the answer cannot be written like this because question was not this. So I will write now. Replace the value of a. A was this. Wherever there is a, I will write x minus 2y. So the question is 3a minus 2. In place of a, you write x minus 2y. X minus 2y. Then this is 3a minus 2. So it will be 3a is x minus 2y and minus 2. See this step. Take screenshot of this. 9 bracket x minus 2y square minus 6x. So we suppose x minus 2y as a because both the brackets are same to make it simpler. So x minus 2y is a. So question will become 9a square minus 6a. This is a. So this will become a square and this will become a. So 9a square minus 6a. It is easy to factorize this by taking HCF. So 3a is the HCF. Now this factorization will be done like we did previous question. Answer is 3 into 3a minus 2. After this, after having done this, you have to replace the value. This a is here, this a is here. So see, I am putting these arrows so that you understand what has happened. And this 2 is here. Now see this carefully. 3a means 3 into a. A is x minus 2y. The next bracket is 3 bracket a. So it is 3 bracket x minus 2y minus 2. So what is the final answer? The final answer is 3 into x minus 2y, and this has to be simplified, so it will become 3x. This is the answer. 3 into x minus 2y, this bracket there is a bracket inside a bracket that has to be simplified. So 3x minus 2 is 6y. Answer becomes 3x minus 6y. So this is factorization by taking common. You can watch this explanation again to understand. And in the same way, if you see 101, question number D part, again there is page 101. You can try D part. So these questions which are given, they are also to be done. Now come to the exercise. In the exercise, the questions are mixed. Now exercise 5.5. Let's do all the questions which are it is given 9a square minus 25, 9a square minus 25b square. Now we have done some methods earlier, the method of factorization where we had to write and solve by taking formula. So this question resembles the formula. So you will write using a square minus b square formula, which is equal to a plus b and a minus b. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. This will be written as a square formula. So what will this become? 3a square minus 5b square is equal to, what is a plus b? This is a and this is b. So a plus b and a minus b. 3a minus 3a square minus b square will be a square minus b square. So what has happened? 9a square minus 25b square. You will write it as a formula. This is the method of formula which we did by taking the formula method. So question will be arranged as the formula. So a square, b square, a plus b, a minus b. A will be square root of 9, which is 3, square root of 25 is 5, so 3a square minus 5b square. So the answer is 3a plus 5b and 3a minus 5b according to the formula. Now in your book, the questions which are of the same type, they are like the question number A part is matching with question number K and L, they are same. Okay, so let's do A. I have done. Now I am taking question 1 C part. In C part, the question is x square bracket 2x minus 5 x square bracket 2x minus 5 plus a into 2x minus 5. Now see, in this question, something is same or it is not same. X square bracket 2x minus 5 plus a into 2x minus 5. So we have done this group common. This bracket is same. Therefore, I will write the answer directly. First factor is 2x minus 5. This bracket and this bracket common, and the next number is x square plus a common. Okay, so x square into 2x minus 5, both 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5 are common. So from this common, I have taken one common and then written x square plus a. This is C part. Then come to E part. In E part, the question is x square minus xz x square minus xz plus xy. Now this has got 4 terms in it. So what did we do? Factorization. We will check that the numbers are common or not. So here in all the terms there is nothing common. First method of factorization is taking common. So here we have to take common by taking groups. In this group, what is common? X is common. So what was the condition? That in the brackets, whatever will come, x minus z. Now here what is common? Plus y is common, so y, x minus z. Now the answer is x plus y. Answer. So x square minus xz plus xy minus yz. The first two numbers are made the first group. Second two numbers are made the second group. So group factorization, taking these two numbers as the first group, these two numbers as the second group. Now take common in group. It will be x into x minus z. Here it will be y into x minus. Now both x minus z are common. So this is the answer, where we factorize by taking common in groups. Okay, so this is C and E. Now G part. Question number 1, G part, 4m square minus 3mn. 4m square minus 3mn plus minus 16m and plus 12m. So 4m square minus 3mn. So first what we have to check, that in all the factors, in all the numbers, what is common? So in 4m square, 3mn, 16mn and n, neither m is common and neither 4, 2, 3, nothing is common. So since in this nothing is common, we will take groups. So you will factorize by taking the first group and the second group. So what is common in the first group? 4m and 3mn, only m is common. So m common. How it is coming, that I have explained in this video. The first thing I explained, revise that. Those who have not revised, you will understand how to take common in groups. So here m and m are common, so it will be m common. What will come inside? 4m minus, what will come? 3n. So the HCF of 4m square and 3mn, the method which I have just now, which we did before, the first thing which we did, that one you can check. So m into 4m minus 3n. Now in these two numbers, what will be common? HCF of 16m and 12 is minus 4. So 4m minus 3n. Now see this, 4m square minus 3mn minus 16m. From 4m square minus 3mn, from these two numbers, m is common, so m into 4m minus 3n. From 16 and 12, 4 is common, HCF. It will be 4m minus 3n. Now, what is the answer? The answer is m. This m and this 4 will be first factor, and 4m minus 3n will be the second factor. This is the answer. The brackets, both the brackets are 4m minus 3n, 4m minus 3n, and the next number is m minus 4. Okay, so answer is m minus 4 and 4m minus 3n. So I am taking the odd numbers now. So G, and now question 1, I part. In I part, it is written x square minus a plus b, a plus b into x plus ab. Now this question is also same, but it looks different. Again, in this number there is nothing common. Neither x is common. The terms are in this first term, and in this nothing is common. Neither a is common here nor x is common. So this is a different question, but let's change the question now. Change the question means I am writing it as x square minus, let's open this bracket, it will become ax. See this, I have multiplied x with a plus b, x square minus, there is a minus sign, so I have multiplied x square minus ax and minus b. Now the question becomes like this. How it becomes like this? Because now there are two brackets. So in the first one and in the second one I will take common, and let's see that something comes same or not. So it is x common, x minus a. Here it is minus, what is common? B. B into x minus a. Now how is it minus a here? How did it become minus whereas it is plus here? So what we are doing, I had told you first find the HCF. So in this expression, what is the HCF? Same method which I did in the starting of this class. See that method. The HCF of bx and ab is b. Its HCF of this expression is b. Now this b will divide and ab. Bx is minus, ab is plus. When I divide this, and I have taken HCF as minus b. See, this is minus sign here. So you will put this minus here. When you divide, minus minus cut, so it is plus x. So therefore it will be plus x here. Minus b and plus will divide, so it will become minus. B and b will cut, so it is plus a. But there is plus a and divided by minus b. So when you divide minus b, a, b and b, this plus sign and this minus sign, what will be answer of this side? The answer is x is left here. In this number, b and b divide, only x is left. So the answer is plus x. Here when you divide b and b cut, minus a and this will divide, so it will become minus a. So that is why this number comes here. It will become plus x minus a. And now what is the answer? Answer is x minus a and x minus b. X minus a, x minus b. This is the answer. Got it? So let's do some more. Now K part. See, all the questions are coming out different. In K part it is written, it's given 36 minus 49a square. Now this question resembles a formula. So I have to write it as a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b a plus b a minus b. 36 minus 49, I have to write it as a square, so 36 will be written as 6 square. I have to write it as a square, so 36 means 6 square, 49 means, so 6 and 7. So both the terms are to be written as a square minus b square. So a is 6 and b is 7. So 6 square minus 7a square. So 6 square minus 7a square will be written as a plus b. So this is a and this is b. So you have to just write a plus b and a minus b. Answer. So 36 minus 49a square is to be solved in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So it becomes 6 square minus 7a square, which is 6 plus 7a, 6 minus 7a. This is important. And m part. Now in m part, it is 63a cube, 63a cube b cube, and minus 7ab. So as I have said, every factorization you will solve by taking common. So what is the HCF of these two terms? The HCF is, yes, 7. HCF you will find 7ab is the HCF. So what will come inside? 9a square b square minus 1. Now how is it 7? How it is 9a square b square? I have explained in the beginning of this class. See that, you will understand. Now what we have done, I have factorized the question and written it in two parts. So 7ab is the first factor. 9a square b square minus will be solved by the upper method, which we have done just now. So 7ab, let's see, 7ab, 9a square b square minus 1. 7ab will be written as this. Write it as a square number, so it will be 3ab square minus 1 square. See, 9a square b square. So first you will factorize 63a cube b cube by taking common, which is the HCF. The HCF of 63 and 7 is 7. So the HCF becomes 7ab bracket 9a square b square minus 1. After that, 9a square b square minus 1 will be factorized by writing it as a square minus b square, which will become 7ab 3ab plus 1 . So this is based on the formula a square minus b square. This is a and this is b. A square b square. So this becomes a b. This becomes a plus b. So a plus b and a minus b. And this is a square minus b square. So 3ab square will be a square, 1 will be b square. So 3ab square is a square minus b square, which is written as a plus b and a minus b. So observe this carefully. The formula of a square minus b square will become clear to you. Okay. This was question number M. Now let's do O part. All the explanation of the questions are there for you. You can check them. Now this question is 4 bracket. Now this is different. 5x plus 4 whole square and minus 9 into 3x plus 2 whole square. 4 5x 4 square minus 9 3x plus 2. Again we will check by taking common. So what is common between 4 bracket? In 4 this is two terms. First term, this is product, so this is one term, and this is the second term. In the first term and in the second term, 4 and 9 there is no HCF, and this bracket is also not same. Okay, so what has to be done is that this whole term, if I write it as P, and this term if I write Q, so what will be my question now? I don't have to write, but if I write it, then this term is different from this term. If I suppose this term is P and this term is Q, my question becomes 4P square minus 9Q square. See this, 4 bracket 5x plus 4 square, 9 bracket 3x plus 2, 5x plus 4, suppose it is P. So question will become 4P square, and 9 bracket 3x plus 2 will become 9Q square. So now this question becomes just like the question which we have done just now. You will solve by using the formula a square minus b square and write it as a plus b and a minus b. So this becomes 4, if you want you can write it 4p. This 4p will be written as a square number. So 2p square minus 3q square. Now see this, 4p, what did I write? I have taken this term as 5x plus 4 as p and 3x plus 2 as q. 5x plus 4 as p. To make my calculation simple, this number is 4p. So this 4 is here and this p is p square, 9 is 9 and this is q. So now this becomes a square minus b square. Formula will be a square minus b square. A square will be 2p, b square will be 3q. So what will be a plus b? A and b. A plus b, it will be a plus b and a minus b. A plus b and a minus b. This is the final answer. Now you replace the value. After this, you replace p. Change p as 5x plus 4. So see this step. The question became 2p plus 3q and 2p minus 3q. 2p plus 3q and 2p minus 3q. Same thing. Now replace the value of p. So what we'll do? I have to put the value of p. This p I have to put here, and this q also I will put here, because I have supposed p is equal to 5x plus this. So what will it become? 2p means this. So 5x plus 4 plus 3. This is slightly complicated. In place of q, write down 3x plus 2. In place of q, write down 3x plus 2. This is the first bracket. Now see this working. 2p plus 3q and 2p minus 3q came with this. See this working again. Now what did I do? I have taken 2p plus 3q. Now p was taken as 5x plus 4. Q was taken 3x plus 2. So replace the value back. It will become 2 into p, which means 2 into 5x plus 4, and 3 into 3x plus 2. Now the second bracket, this one, this number. So what will it become? 2 into 5x plus 4 minus 3 into 3x plus 2. This is slightly lengthy. So now it will become bracket. So this is the answer, but we have to solve it one more step. So there is bracket inside bracket. So open the bracket and it will become 10x plus 8 plus c. I am multiplying this 2 into 5, 10, 2 into 4, 8, 9x plus 6. This is the answer of this. And the answer of the second part, this answer I am writing in blue. So it will become 10x plus 8, 9x minus 6. See, the answer of yellow part, 2 into 5, 2 into 4, 10x, 8, 3 into 3, 9x plus 6. And the answer of this blue part is in blue. You have to not leave the bracket. So this question needs practice. Question number 1 part. Now you will combine the like terms. So the answer of this bracket will become 10 minus x is x and plus 2, and the answer of this will become 19x plus 14. This is the answer. So 10x plus 8, 9x plus 6, 10 and 9 become 19, 8 and 6 become 14. Here it is 10 and 9 become 1, so x, 8 and 6 become 8 minus 6, 2. So the answer is 19x plus 14, x plus 2. Check the answer. This explains question number 1 up to O part. Now question number 1, A, I have done odd number question, A, C, E, like that. So now you try B, the odd number questions. In your book there are questions given on the right side. So I have done the questions which are on the left side. You try questions which are on the right side. Then if you have doubt, I will explain more. So now there are some questions which we will do later on. So see you in the next class. Join your next class now.